BEVAR and side branches are very well established technologies, and we have been using them, and they remain a very good option. Having been doing this for many years now and having planned many cases, I've realized there is a need for alternative option. There will be cases where FEVAR can be challenging, where the anatomy is unsuitable for various adverse features like trajectory of the vessels. Another example, the angulation infrarenal, which can make planning and predictability of procedure difficult. There are cases which are better with the branches, but you don't need the excessive aortic coverage. So the inner branch came as a very alternative, nice solution to fit in between initially. So we are able to overcome some of the challenges of fever and also simplify the complex standard BEVAR procedure. The recognition has changed with time. Initially, we felt it's really good to overcome some of the adverse features of other technology. With time, we find it very widely applicable, suitable for more and more anatomy, and making procedure very smooth. So the main advantage becoming is the anatomy suitability and the device versatility for various condition and narrow aortic lumen, angulation. This is where situation with iBEVAR is a great option. In a branch is available as a custom made or extra design solution or off the shelf like inside currently. And both options are very useful for our clinical needs. So we determine which one to use based on the clinical situation. If you have an urgent case like a large aneurysm or an emergency case, then we probably go for off-the-shelf solution. If we have something that is more elective and non-urgent, we'll go for customized. Customized give us a little bit more option in terms of tailoring the length of the device, the aortic coverage, the position, and the shape of the branches. So we have a little bit more ability to tailor the treatment. The off-the-shelf is obviously readily available, pre-cannulated, which is an advantage, but it may not be necessary for every patient. So we reserve it only for, in my practice, for emergency and urgent cases. Inner branches as a technology has been around now for a few years. We first started in 2018, and we have been observing good outcome. The applicability is increasing with time, and the application of these technologies becoming safer and safer. Therefore, I can see in the next 5 to 10 years an increased demand and use of these technology. Obviously, we will continue to monitor the data and ensure the long-term outcome are appropriate.